Water feature security camera placement outside the home requires positioning and equipment choices that prevent glare, water damage, false triggers, and blind spots around ponds and decorative pools. Place cameras at a slight downward angle from above the water feature to capture faces and movements without reflecting the sky into the lens, and keep the lens at least 8 to 12 feet from the water surface when practical to reduce splashes and mist. Use anti-glare lenses or install a polarizing filter on the camera to cut reflections from ripples and sunlight, which improves image contrast and reduces false motion alerts. Choose housings with an ingress protection rating appropriate for splash zones. A waterproof housing rated for near water use will protect cameras from constant humidity and occasional spray without needing constant maintenance. Route power and network cables along raised conduits or underdecking, and seal all junctions with marine-grade sealant so connections remain dry and accessible for inspection. For low-light or night coverage, use cameras with true low-light sensors rather than relying only on infrared, which can reflect off water and create bloom. Place ambient shielded lighting to balance exposure without creating hot spots on the water. Regularly schedule lens cleaning and visual checks monthly, and after storms, verify mounts, seals, and that anti-glare filters are free of residue or misalignment. Common mistakes include mounting cameras too low where splashes and algae growth obscure the lens, so move the camera higher or add a splash shield to keep the view clear. Another issue is choosing cameras with poor glare handling, which causes loss of detail, so fit a polarizing filter or switch to optics designed for water reflections to retain facial and license plate clarity. Lastly, improper cable routing leads to premature failure from moisture, so route cabling away from water, use raised or sealed conduits, and test connections regularly to catch corrosion early. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for outdoor camera and water feature work by listing professionals and hosting a discussion community for practical advice and peer experiences. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for camera installation and maintenance projects and provide a space where users can ask questions and share real-world tips.